What up, crew? Joe P. Kirchman here, and I just want to take a moment and say that the Maker Wall is growing exponentially! This was because of Maker Central, and it happened in our own backyard of Birmingham, and there were so many cool people there. We had YouTube makers, we had bloggers, we had arts and crafts, as well as businesses, big and small, and of course, just curious people taking time out of their 3-day weekend to stop on by and see what was up. Of course, our RoboSavvy stand had an X-Carve and Carvey CNC machines, the DoBot robotic arm, a double telepresence robot, and as always, a 3D printer with plenty of objects. Including a chair printed on a big rep, which took about 3 days. There were smoking hot customized motorbikes all the way to ice sculptures. For the first kind of event like this, I would say it was a smashing success. Big shout out to Nick for setting up this whole thing, and basically, I don't have enough time to name all of the cool people that I got to reunite with, as well as making amazing bonds with new friends. This is just such a wonderful community. I'll put a link down below of all of these cool creators and more that you gotta check out. All right, Joe, we get it. Stop getting so emotional. As for future events, we have the Clerkenwell Design Week coming up May 22nd through 24th. And we're gonna be at SKK Lighting Design talking about desktop manufacturing with additive and subtractive processes. There will be more information to follow. Sorry I haven't shown you how to make any weird objects in a while. I promise I got some great projects coming up, as well as some very interesting characters. Quote, out. All of the stuff has been 3D printed by Dremel on the RoboSavvy stand. All of our 3D printers don't work. They're actually Dremel printers, and we're using their models.
Yeah, you will.
Just kidding.